Let's move on to Nextcloud Whiteboard, a collaborative sketching app in Nextcloud Hub that we released recently.
It integrates seamlessly with Nextcloud Hub applications, offering visual collaboration in real time, for example, during meetings in Nextcloud Talk. With Nextcloud Hub 10, Nextcloud Whiteboard allows to upload files other than images, making it easier to exchange assets and references. You can now also download a screenshot of any visible area of your whiteboard to share a separate sketch or element. Previously, the app only supported downloading or exporting the full whiteboard.
We have only recently added the Whiteboard app to our ecosystem and are working on it to add even more capabilities and improve collaboration. Let us know what new features you would like to see on your whiteboard.